Alex here with an events video on Kurt Harris versus Ernest Del Casal. Interest in this case stems from an organization known as Equal Rights for Divorced Fathers. Mr. Del Casal launched this organization in 1982. It's been steeped in controversy since June of 2004 following the hidden cameras that were sent into the organization by the media to observe the interactions between Mr. Del Casal and its customers. The tactics have been described as pro-dad by its proponents and anti-mom by its opponents. We submitted a media request and District Judge Rob Baer has granted that request, allowing us to provide electronic coverage of a jury trial scheduled for November 18th, 2019. Mr. Kurt Harris is representing himself. The defendants are represented by Alan Needham. The conflict in this case stems from Mr. Harris's purchase of the organization in March of 2014. Mr. Harris alleges that following the purchase, Mr. Del Casal engaged in slander, defamation, theft, intentional interference with the business, breach of contract, and on top of all of that, he is seeking an award of punitive damages. A calendar call has been scheduled for October 31st, 2019 in this case. We do intend to send a representative. On that date, we may get additional details, including the number of days that trial will last, the specific days that it'll be held on, as well as the times that each day trial will begin. It's also possible on that date for the trial to be pushed back to a later date, so always keep an eye on our Facebook and YouTube for any updates that may occur. And if you have any questions, feel free to post something down in the comments below, or you can send us an email at admin@ournevadajudges.com.
Any statement that you make is under penalty of perjury.
Oh, that's not how it works.
You both did a good job bringing all this to my attention.
I'm going to make a record about you in a minute. I need to sit down and be quiet.
The court finds in the best interest of the minor child and makes the following findings.
For the record, I don't say these things to hear myself talk.
An absolute decree of divorce is granted.
By September 6th, you will pay $6,000 of what is due.